RAM upgrade on Acer Aspire E5-471P laptop. Thank you, Sir Nalmer, for trusting PETIT Solutions. The Acer Aspire E5-471P laptop received a crucial 4GB PC3L RAM upgrade to boost its overall speed, multitasking, and system efficiency. The process involved carefully opening the laptop, installing the new low-voltage DDR3L memory module, and ensuring proper compatibility and performance. After the upgrade, the system showed faster boot times, smoother operation, and improved performance when running multiple applications simultaneously. This upgrade not only enhanced the laptop's responsiveness, but also extended its usability, allowing it to handle daily tasks more efficiently and reliably. RAM upgrade is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.